lonesome, pissed off, who wants some? I'm fighting for my soul, God, get at your boy. You try to go guard, fall back, I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off, who wants some?
I see them long, hard times to come.
What's up, everybody? So this video is going to be not the 5 things I hate about the GoPro 7. It's going to be everything I hate about the GoPro 7. Number 1, it's the GoPro 7. Nothing but issues with it. I know some people haven't had much issues, and I know a lot of people actually have had a shit ton of issues. Me, I've been having nothing but issues. The audio setup is freaking ridiculous. Fucking ridiculous. It's just completely stupid. It's like, that GoPro right there, plug a mic in and you're done. Go on about your business. This thing, you got fucking settings, all kinds of stupid shit. Turn this off, turn that on. I mean, I actually don't even know how I finally ended up getting my mic to work. I just kept pushing buttons until something worked. And that's fucking ridiculous to me. Number 2, or the next thing, the battery life. Now, I understand it is a 4K camera, it has video stabilization, it has a lot of shit going on, so it uses a lot of battery life. But fuck, it still goes so quick. And I don't know, because I don't record in 4K, I still do 1080, 60. I might even actually have it set on 120 right now. I'm not 100% sure, I can't remember. But the battery life is just fucking ridiculous. It's so short. I will say, I do like the video stabilization on it. I think it's actually really good. I do believe the DJI Osmo is a shit ton better. But so far this is, you know, for my purposes, it's pretty fucking good. It works pretty good. You are in a Jaguar S-Type. You can't fucking go faster than that. Since it is the 7 Black and it's the waterproof, it is actually quite heavy. I don't like that. The 4 is actually kind of heavy, but it's not as heavy as this. Of course, the 4 is not a waterproof camera. This one is. This is quite heavy. I'm tired of this motherfucker. Get me around him. I gotta turn right up here. The overheating issue, I thought might have been kind of like a bullshit thing. It is not. It has overheated on me twice since I've had it. It locks up all the fucking time. Like, I have to kind of keep poking out my side of the fucking helmet, see if it's even recording, or just look right down here, because it locks up so much. And then when it locks up, it still doesn't tell me anything because it's locked up. So the screen just sits there looking like it's supposed to. My other audio issue, I can't blame on the camera. I can blame on my Purple Panda mic. It just seems like maybe the Purple Panda combination with this camera, it just makes it so sensitive. I don't know. Or if it's just the Purple Panda mic that's so sensitive. But it's just so hard to get background noise out of this thing. And I still use iMovie, you know, I don't pay for nothing or anything like that. I still use iMovie, and it does actually have background noise fixers in it, but I can't always get it out. Of course, a lot of people in my last video said the audio sounds spot on. I don't hear it, but it's probably me being a lot more critical because it's my video. One other thing, let's see here. I have it on auto orientation so that you know, it records wherever the camera, as long as the camera is, as long as it records up. I had the camera turned on the other day, not even recording, and I was putting my helmet on. You know, I tipped my helmet down and then put it on, and when I did that, it actually flipped the screen, and instead of doing audio orientation, it recorded, even though the camera was up and down straight, it recorded my whole video upside down. So definitely some software issues there of some sort. That camera's almost dead. So I don't know where exactly I'm going with this camera. I might hop back onto that one and just use that one. I might continue to use this, or I'm really thinking about going with the Drift 4K. Probably just sell this setup and get the Drift 4K, most likely. That's what I'm looking at doing right now. But I'm not 100% sure. If the issues are minor with this, I'll just keep using it. The issues stay minor. I mean, I'm listing off a lot of things. It's not like it happens every single time, but it does happen. And it's quite annoying. As long as it doesn't stay happening all the time, I ain't gonna worry about it. But anyways, GoPro 7 Black, my review of it, it's a very annoying camera. I'm gonna call this one because that camera's about to die, and I think I left my extra batteries at home. So, and really I don't need that one, but whatever. So don't forget to like the video. That helps spread it around YouTube. Do not forget to comment. I always respond to my comments. I'm getting better at that. Commenting faster. Also, please share the video. Share it with your friends and families and hookers and drug dealers and dogs and cats. Grandmas and grandpas. Your grandmas and grandpas might be your drug dealers or your hookers too. Hell if I know. And please, if you're new here and you like the video, hit that subscribe button if you want to. Check out some of my old videos. Dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.